Hey there, fellow content creators! Are you ready to turn your YouTube passion into a profitable venture? This video will guide you through the exciting world of YouTube monetization, from understanding YouTube's policies to implementing successful strategies for making money from your videos. We'll cover everything you need to know to start making money from your YouTube channel, whether you're just starting out or have been creating content for years. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage, and let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding YouTube's policies. Before we get into the specific ways to monetize your content, it's essential to familiarize yourself with YouTube's policies. Let's discuss YouTube Partner Program, YPP. This is the cornerstone of monetization on YouTube. To become a YouTube partner, you need to meet certain criteria, such as having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Advertiser-friendly content. YouTube prioritizes content that is safe for advertisers. This means avoiding copyrighted material, offensive content, and anything that could be considered harmful or inappropriate. Monetization options. YouTube offers various ways to earn money, including ads revenue sharing, the most common option, where you get a share of ad revenue from ads displayed on your videos. YouTube Premium Revenue. Earn a portion of the revenue from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks and benefits to your dedicated fans who pay a monthly fee. Super Chat. This feature allows fans to pay for their messages to be highlighted in your chat during live streams. Merchandise Shelf. You can set up a merchandise shelf on your channel to sell products related to your content. Section 2. Effective monetization strategies. Now that you understand YouTube's policies, let's explore some proven strategies for making money on your channel. Google AdSense for YouTube. This is the most common method for monetizing your videos. By enabling ads on your eligible videos, you'll earn a share of the revenue from ads displayed before, during, or after your videos. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and companies to promote their products or services in your videos. When viewers purchase through your unique affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow fans to support creators financially by donating either monthly or through one-time pledges. Selling channel-related products. Expand your income streams by creating and selling merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands on product placements or endorsements in your videos. This can be a lucrative way to monetize your channel, but it's crucial to disclose sponsored content clearly. Section 3. Maximizing your earnings. To maximize your YouTube earnings, consider these tips. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility and search results. Create high-quality content. Focus on creating engaging and valuable content that your audience wants to watch and share. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and ask questions to build a loyal and engaged community around your channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels, broaden your audience reach, and exchange ideas. Section 4. Working with sponsors and brands. Building partnerships with brands can significantly increase your YouTube revenue. Here's what you need to know. Establish your authority. Build a strong online presence with a sizable, engaged audience. Find brands that align. Reach out to brands that share your values and target similar audiences. Negotiate fair compensation. Ensure you're compensated fairly for the value you bring to the brand. Disclose sponsored content. Be transparent with your viewers about sponsored partnerships by using clear disclosures, as required by YouTube and the FTC. Section 5. Legal considerations for monetization. When earning money through your YouTube content, it's vital to adhere to legal guidelines. Copyright. Protection. Avoid using copyrighted material without permission. Always obtain appropriate licenses or use royalty-free music and images. Sponsored content disclosure. Clearly disclose any sponsored content or endorsements in your videos, as required by the FTC. Privacy rights. If your videos feature identifiable individuals, obtain their consent before using their likeness. Tax reporting. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses for tax purposes, and consult with a tax professional for guidance on reporting your YouTube earnings. To conclude, monetizing your YouTube channel is a great way to turn your passion for creating videos into a sustainable income stream. By understanding YouTube's policies, implementing effective monetization strategies, and staying legally compliant, you can start earning money from your hard work. Don't forget to consistently create high-quality content that your audience loves. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and a strong commitment to creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Let's make those views into dollars.